Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to another monthly edition of the Chitty News Behind the Report. I'm your host, Lisa Jackson. Joining us today, we have February's best reporter, Hyunjun Che. Good evening, Hyunjun, and welcome to the show.
Nice to meet you. It feels so great to be selected as the best reporter in Lusaite. Thank you.
So to start, Hyunjun, can you briefly explain to us the topic of your report?
Sure, I wrote a report about programmers, which will be and is the leading job in Industry 4.0. I wrote a report about them because they're the ones who combine the world by developing technology, and I thought that is a very cool thing.
Okay. So then what fields or careers do you think programming would be useful for?
Since it is an IT world and digital world now, programming and programmers are necessary in a lot of fields. Well, I thought that it can be used in a lot of things. Well, pretty much everything, because a lot of things are related with digital things and IT, and programmers are the ones who are in charge of it.
So you mentioned in your report that programming is one of the fastest growing careers. How do you think that will affect the current and future job market?
Well, since it is growing fast enough to get a lot of people's attention, well, I thought it will be dominating the job market in the future, because it is going to get a lot of people's attention, and people are going to be obsessed with it in the future because it will be in charge of a lot of things, especially some things in like smartphones or TV, and a lot of people will have a dream or a job of it in the future, and that is why I thought it will be dominating the job market.
Okay, now one last question. Are you planning on a career in programming? If so, what path do you think you took?
Actually, I'm not planning my career in programming related so much, but sometimes I think of myself as programmer or doing programming because it is a really cool thing. Well, to be a programmer or to reach that goal, we are supposed to be learning coding and programming from a young age, and we should never give up.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Hyunjun. We wish you the best of luck with your career going forward. That concludes today's interview. We invite you to join us back again for another monthly edition of Behind the Report. For everyone here at the Chitty News, thank you for watching.